Hey guys, what's going on? I'm New Type 1, and welcome to another weekly pack opening. Wait, what's this? This is not a pack. What is this? This is the Noble Knights of the Round Table. So, they just started selling this again at our local Walmart, and I've been seeing it for a while, and then I found out, oh, this is actually $150 online. We bought it for $50 today. So, we're going to go ahead and open it today and have ourselves a blast. But, for the pack opening rules, this right up here, this is the only thing we're choosing from the pack openings. Pre-cards, yeah, we're not going to use that. No. So, let's jump right in and open this up. So, yeah. I have no idea why this is worth $150, but I think it has something to do with the 3 platinum rares you can get from this. So we're gonna take a look. So right here you can see it comes with a full-size Merlin and the Noble Knights game mat, 70 card sleeves, a Noble Knight storage box, and 1 power-up pack with 3 platinum rare cards. So let's open this up. Alright, so this is what the box looks like when it first comes out. Oh, everything doesn't want to fall out of it. So, there we go. Oh, and cards are immediately falling out. So, let's put those back in so that we can officially open that here in a little bit. So, we get this nice game mat. I really wish that it would have the monster zones and the trap and spell card zones, but I mean, for a nice starter mat, I guess this is okay. Nice Merlin right there. So let's crack into the cards real quick. First off, we get 3 platinum rares right here. Last chapter of the Noble Knights, which is actually pretty cool looking for that platinum rarity. If your opponent controls a monster and you control no monsters, you can target 1 Noble Arms equip spell card and 1 appropriate Noble Knight monster in your graveyard. Special summon that monster, and if you do equip that equip spell card to the appropriate monster, you can only activate 1 last chapter of the Noble Knights per turn. Pardon me. Then we got a Noble Knight bedwear, and a Merlin. So, yeah, there's that. Then there's this here. Congratulations, you have won free entry into the main event at a YCS. Card expires May 31st, 2015. Okay, so this is trash. Okay, so this is going to be the main event later. It only has 3 cards in it, so God, I hope it's worth it. And then we have the Noble Knight structure deck here. There we go. There we go. So, let's take a look at what we got here. We got a Ignoble Knight High Lancider, Astrogus, King of the Noble Knights, Sacred Noble Knight, King Atragus, Noble Knight Atragus, Noble Knight Gawain, Ignoble Knight Black Lysander, Noble Knight Maidroot, Noble Knight Goldwitch, Noble Knight Dyston, Noble Knight Bors, 2 of him, Noble Knight Pedro, Noble Knight Echartar, Guinevere, totally not Guinevere, Lady of the Lake, Honest, Knight Day Gearfer, Dawn Knight, Noble Knights of the Round Table, Noble Arms Gatlin, Aphrodruid, Calburn, Noble Arms of Destiny, Noble Arms Excalibur, Dark Hole, Swords of Revealing Light, Reinforcement of the Army, Book of Moon, Foolish Burial, Release Restraint Wave, Swords at Dawn, Avalon, Call of the Haunted, Malevolent Catastrophe, Dimensional Prison, and Solemn Warning. That's the pre-made structure deck there. And we get 70 glossy back Noble Knights sleeves. So here we go. Noble Knights of the Round Table Power-Up Pack. Let's take a look and see what we get. Okay, so first off, we get Gold Sarcophagus, Mystical Space Typhoon, and Compulsory Evacuation Device. Which one to choose? Do I want to pop back row, search, or return to hand? We're going to return to hand. This is going to be the card that ends up in the deck. So, yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching. And remember, as always, check out Spiritual Puzzle Shipper's channel so that you can get up to date with both of our deck profiles for Katsucon 2019. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hey, guys. New type here. Just with an aside for the pack opening video. The Noble Knights of the Round Table was supposed to be something that's meant to kick people into high gear into playing competitively. And besides the Solemn Warning, no, don't even think about it. Don't buy it. Don't go looking for it. And if you're one of the sorry suckers that paid $150 for that, I feel so sorry for you. Seriously, I do. I feel sorry for you if you paid $150 for that. Seriously, do not buy this garbage. That's all that I can say it is. Your money, it's wasted if you buy this. I would prefer, and that hurts me to say because it's a Konami official product, but no, don't go out and buy it. I was foolish enough to buy it. Don't you make the same mistakes as I have. Yeah, that's pretty